This is the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth fighter aircraft with three different variants: the F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C. The F-35B is a unique aircraft designed for vertical takeoffs and landings, thanks to its Pratt & Whitney engine and Rolls-Royce lift fan. The F-35C is a carrier-based aircraft designed to operate from aircraft carriers. It has a larger wing and control surfaces, and is fitted with a stronger landing gear and arrestor hook. The F-35A is the conventional takeoff and landing version, equipped with a built-in GAU-22A 4-barrel 25mm cannon. It will replace the A-10 and F-16 warplanes in the U.S. Air Force service. The F-35I is an F-35A with Israeli modifications featuring Israeli electronic warfare systems and the ability to use Israeli missiles and bombs. The F-35 is the world's most advanced fighter aircraft, outperforming its predecessors in every way, a true game changer in modern warfare.